cardamom rice flakes milk smoothie or cardamom rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the cardamom recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes. We are going to make cardamom rice flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of rice flakes, 6 pods of cardamom and sugar. Put in the sugar and the rice flakes. And the cardamom into the grinder. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in the milk. And 300 ml. Close and blend well. Now the cardamom rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the smoothie into the glasses. Cardamom rice flakes milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cardamom recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.